Doris, Sultana, and what's the other bitch? Big Soso. 3 of them. Those foolish girls. They are very foolish, and I hate foolish people. I hate stereotypes, and they're following that stereotype. The stereotype of older, angry women. I hate it. I would have fought tooth and nail. It's not true. Stop, it's not everybody. And it's obviously not everybody, but why are they pushing it? So let me explain it. Let's start from the least, whatever. So that, let's say the least potent person, say Big Soso. She presents herself as a Christian. She presents herself as someone that has morals. She presents herself as someone that is kind. She's everything except all those 3 things. She is a fucking bitch. Oh, that's one. And then there's another one that I really don't know where to place, right? It's Thelma Lawson. And she's really irritating me, and...
What's up?
She's really irritating me in the sense that she is smart. I give it to her.
What's her rule?
Thelma.
Thelma.
She is smart, but she's not always smart.